Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I want to show you guys where I buy my solo ads clicks, and these are the vendors that I've been able to use for a very long time and be able to convert whatever affiliate products that I'm actually offering out in the marketplace, right? And so make sure you stay all the way till the end, because the last one I will actually share with you. This particular vendors has got me very great amount of results, and you can actually have this same vendor and be able to make some sales and also become profitable with your affiliate marketing business. Again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and make sure you also hit that bell icon so every time I upload a brand new video you actually get notified with this content, right? So with that said, let's get started. So the very first place that I actually go and buy quality clicks is going to this website called Udemy, right? And in here, this platform is similar to Amazon, where they have like whole lot of sellers, and but the cool thing about this is they only sell solo ad clicks, right? If any of you don't know what solo ad is, it's pretty much going to a vendor or a website and who has a particular audience that you want to be making money in, and you go to that particular vendor and you just give them tell them to send certain amount of clicks onto your website, and those are real people coming onto your website, and pretty much they enter your funnel and they become part of your list, right? They become part of your subscriber list, right? So, and that's a very easy way for anyone to start building up a list, right? And if you haven't seen what I mean by list, there's a lot of videos on my channel going through list building and also making money with email marketing, right? So I'll show you the best vendors that actually are on this platform. So number one is Ego, right? And you can see 91% of their buyers actually have got sales, right? And these are some of the criteria that I actually look out for when I go ahead and buy clicks from this website called Udemy. I want them to have a high amount of sales, and also reasonable amount of clicks they're actually offering, right? I mean in money wise, right? So 44 cents per click that you're going to be sending onto your website, right? So 91%, which is really awesome. So this is number one. Number two is Gabe, and in here it shows also 89% of his buyers actually got sales, right? And these are some of the buyers that I actually use on a daily basis: Ego, Gabe, Indulus, right? He's really good. His traffic is really great. This guy here, 86%, right? So I normally go out for people who have 80% or more sales they have got, right? For the people who actually buy traffic from them, right? So Brendan, Leah, and there's another guy called Thomas Freeman, right? So those are some of the people that I actually use on an ongoing basis. First I test with like buying about 100 200 clicks, and that's when I just test like if they're sending clicks onto my funnel, if how the people are actually converting in the back end as well. So you just don't want to be buying traffic like in bulk, like 1000 click, if you haven't tested a particular vendor, right? Because not all the offers that you're going to be promoting is going to be converting with a particular solo ad vendor. So that's what you want to be checking, and 100 or 200 clicks is a very best way for you to know which offers are actually converting with that particular vendor. That's when you can multiply the clicks with them, right? So that's 4 or 5 people that I actually use on Udemy. If you want to get to this website, I'll leave a link in the description. You can click and go to this website, and you're gonna get a $5 discount code, and that's when you can just sign up for free and start using this vendor, right? So that's number one place that I actually go and buy this particular clicks, right, for my make money online BizJob offers. Number 2 on the list is Team Solo Ads, right? I've been using him for a very long time, very reliable, and his clicks are really cheap, but also at the same time he sends quality clicks onto your funnel, right? And the one that I actually buy all the time is 100% tier 1, right? I don't buy anything that's under that. I don't buy 95, I don't buy 80%, I don't buy 70%. I always buy 100% top tier countries, right? Because those are the people who actually go and convert, right? So I'll just test with 45 visitors, 45 clicks, and that's only like $45, right? Which is you can just test with that. If that particular offer is actually converting, I'll go and buy 200 clicks, and that's when I can just scale after that, right? So that's number 2 on the list. I'll leave a link in the description for Teams Solo Ads. Really great guy. You can reach out to him on Facebook, and that's when you can just buy the clicks from him, right? And this is the my favorite place that I actually buy clicks from, is called Wholesale Premium Traffic, right? So these are the two guys that actually combined together, Gabe and also Sean. They've came together and they are actually selling clicks, right? They're selling quality clicks, and the one that I actually buy from them is only top tier 1 countries, right? I don't want to buy anything, like I said, that's like 90%, 75%, because it's no point. And you can see here the rates that like 200 clicks that you can actually choose from, right? So they also have a discount going on at the moment, like, so 200 clicks, 100% tier 1, and this is quality clicks, by the way, $68, right? So I can test with this platform, see how it converts, and then you can also message Sean on Facebook, right? So those are some of the places that I actually go and buy quality clicks for my BizOp offers, business opportunities offers for my affiliate marketing business. But at the same time, Solo Ads, you just don't want to be relying on front end sales, right? You want to be focusing on your email follow-up and also how you actually segment your list. Those are some of the things that most of the newbies get it wrong. They actually don't segment their list, and they are not actually building up a buyers list, right? These are really critical for you to understand. And buyers list are, you want to get a sale, especially in the beginning stage. So that way, even if it's like $2 or $3 you make, that is a buyer that actually took out his credit card and also have a trust in you, right? So you want to move that particular lead onto your buyer list C, so that way you can promote like mid-ticket offers to them, right? If they buy a mid-ticket offer, then you can move that particular lead to a list called a buyers list B, where you can promote like mid-ticket or high ticket, and after that they have bought, you can move them to a high ticket offers, right? So that way you can just move them through the stages, and so that way can actually like, know and trust you, right? And you can send valuable content to them, you can send videos to them, you can send any articles you found that's actually helping you, so that way you can actually build a relationship with that particular lead or a buyer that actually bought some of the products that you're actually offering out there, right? So again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And another cool place that I actually didn't show you, the place that I actually tested some of the traffic, is called Traffic Zest, right? Traffic Zest. This is a really high engaged email list that you can actually build, right? And if you're using Traffic Zest, let me know how you're actually going with Traffic. I'll also leave a link in the description. So V, he's one of the founders of Traffic Zest, and it's like really converting. This is a awesome place that you can also buy clicks. And you got V, you got Jasdeep, Solo Ads, all these big creators, actually solo ad vendors actually got together, and they are put this website for you to go and buy quality traffic, and the traffic can start straight away, so you can schedule and see how you go with it, right? So far I have had a great amount of results from this place that actually buy my traffic. So again, see how you go and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much, and all the resources I leave in the links description below. You can check it out and let me know how you go with it.